Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Matic video update for Tuesday 5th of July, and we already have some nice good greens with Matic. Amazing, right? So it looks really good, but we do have a level that we want to retest right here on the 1 hour time frame for Matic, and that's going to be this line right over there, right? So you want to actually put it this way. I just want to bring in the line graph as well. So yeah, that's going to be a very big level to actually come down to retest, and then if you do make a successful retest, then you might actually end up trying to move a little bit higher than this level. So I'm trying to make sense of what's going on here. So is this some sort of an ascending triangle that you're trying to put for Matic? It could be. Right now what I'm going to say is that if you do make it all the way to the upside, then I think you're looking for a technical target basically from there to there. Then you might make it all the way up here to nearly this level, 5677. So let's see if it can actually come here to retest successfully. Then you might end up making a 14% move to the upside, which will be amazing. So it's all about coming down for the retest. You've already made some sort of almost a very mini rising wedge on a smaller time frame, and you've lost this level of support, and there you go. Okay, so pop to the downside and you're looking to move a little bit lower. So let's dive into the 4 hour time frame, and let's look how the 4 hour time frame looks as well. Right, so you do have this level, of course. The technical target is still pending, but keep in mind you might end up really failing this retest as well. What I mean to say, in the next 3 hours, if you do actually make a very sharp drop and close below that line, that yellow line that I just told you, that's going to be really bad, and you're also going to be putting in an evening star right there, and from that evening star you're going to actually drop even way more lower to the downside. Okay, so keep an eye on it. Let's see if we can actually make a retest. The only way to make a retest is to actually have a reversal candlestick and confirming, bouncing off strongly off that level. And that's it for this update, guys. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.